Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style for Jenny. Hope you are doing well. I'm Jenny and I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So today is everything about tinted lip balms. As you can see, I have no makeup on my face. So this is my complete bare skin. I'm going to swatch on my two-tone pigmented lips and show you some of my top 5 favorite tinted lip balms that I absolutely love. So yeah, let's get started with the video without any further delay. The first tinted lip balm is about this Indie Wild lip balm. It's in the variant Caffeine Addict. It's their dewy lip treatment balm. So as you can see, it looks like this on my two-tone pigmented lips. It's a very lightweight, comfortable formula. It's not at all sticky and it has been one of my most favorite in the recent days because it's so comfortable. The tint is not too over pigmented like a lipstick or it's not too under pigmented. It's somewhere in between, and this is how I like a tinted lip balm to be. It's very so good, very comfortable, all day wear, and it's like very so good. I'm absolutely in love with this. So if you're looking for a good tinted lip balm, you can definitely give this a try, and I would give this a 9 on 10. The next lip balm is from Lakme. So this is their Haya Beach Edit tinted lip balm. They say it is also as a lip stain, but as a lip stain, it doesn't work. I have the shade Chocolate Temptation. In the online, it looks so beautiful, like a beautiful brown color. But as you can see, it looks like a peachish brown on my pigmented lips and on our dusky skin tone. But speaking about the formula, as a lip balm, it's really too good. As you can see, the pigmentation is again, it's buildable, it's very good. It's not too highly pigmented, but it has medium pigmentation which is buildable. So even if you want to give it a sheer coverage or a full coverage to your lips, you can definitely build it up, and that's why I really love it. And it's a very nourishing and a comfortable formula. Again, just seeing it as a tinted lip balm, it works so beautiful. It is not at all sticky. It's again super comfortable. So if you want that no makeup looks, and if you want a good tinted lip balm without a lipstick to make it look comfortable throughout the day, this is the lip balm. You can definitely give it a try. But it doesn't work as a lip stain at all on our pigmented lips, so just ignore that. And just if you want to use it as a lip balm, you can definitely give it a try. And this has a beautiful metallic tip applicator as well. So this is how it looks like, and this is how the shade Chocolate Temptation looks like on our pigmented lips and without any makeup on my skin. So overall, it's really good as a tinted lip balm, and I would give it a rating of 8.5 on 10. Next again is one of my favorite everyday kind of a lip balm. I use this regularly and it's gonna get empty. I will definitely restock it, and I'm speaking about this Simply Numb tinted lip balm. I have the shade Brownie. It's a very beautiful caramel brown shade. Again, it's very sheer to medium coverage. Even on two-tone pigmented lips, though it's sheer, it covers so well. So it's a very again comfortable formula, very lightweight, not at all sticky, as you can see. And I really love even to top it on my lipsticks to make that lip look glossy and glass like shine. So it's really good one. This Sweet Kisses lip balm is like one of my most favorite all the time, and it's really too good. Especially this shade Brownie would look so beautiful on any skin tone. One of my most favorite lip balm. So if you are looking for one very beautiful everyday kind of a tinted lip balm like this, then this is so good. Do definitely give this a try, and this would get a 9.5 on 10. The next tinted lip balm is the one that I'm wearing right now. It's such a beautiful pink tinted lip balm. All of these shades are super pigmented. It's great for two-tone pigmented lips. And whenever I wear this tinted lip balm, I just even forget sometimes the lipstick and lip glosses. It's that good. And I'm speaking about this Tipsy Beauty Pout Polish lip balm. This is like extremely pigmented, yet it's super lightweight. Very nourishing, comfortable formula. It's quite thick when compared to others, but it nourishes the lips like almost so well. I really love this, and whenever I do not want a lipstick for an everyday kind of a look and I just go on for a casual outing, at that time I use this one. It's really so good. This is the shade Raspberry Lollipop, and it also has peptide and collagen in it, which is really great for your lip health. So on most of these shades from this range is so suitable for our two-tone pigmented lips. As you can see, it just covers all the pigmentation so well. I absolutely love this one. Even with this, you can keep it sheer or build it to full pigmentation like this. So it's like totally so good, and this would get a complete 10 on 10. So the last one is such a beautiful tinted lip balm which I really love. If you know me, you would know how much I've been speaking about this particular tinted lip balm, and that is none other than the Kiro Beauty Lip Glaze. I have the shade Plum Delight, and it's such a beautiful plum shade. This has this beautiful silicone applicator, so it's very easy to apply. It just hugs on your lips so well and you can just apply like that. It's just so good, the packaging wise, the formulation wise, the quality wise, everything. It's like a so good lip balm. This again is quite lightweight and it's a very nourishing thick formula. It nourishes my lips so well. So even if you have dry chapped lips and you do not want to wear a lipstick that day, so this will do a job for you of doing it as a lip gloss, also as a lip balm, and also as a lipstick. Because can you see on my twin tone pigmented lips, this shade Plum Delight looks so gorgeous. You can build the pigmentation, keep it sheer or keep it full coverage, as I said before, and it's such a beautiful nourishing formula. This lip balm also has ceramide and squalene in it, so it's like so good for your lips. It also helps to treat your dry chapped lips. So overall, it is one of my again most favorite lip balm, and lip balms are my obsession. I keep trying it and I keep using it, so this has become one of my most favorite, and again this would get a complete 10 on 10. You will definitely say it is worth it for the price you pay once you try it. So try this and thank me later. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know which lip balm would you try this time. So comment down below and I'll be happy to see your comments. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon, so that will be notified when I upload new videos. Also, I will leave all the product details along with the links in the description box below, so you can definitely check them out. And until next time, bye bye.